Fetty! Fetty! Fetty Potter! I have something for you.
A Jeep to go with my Jeep.
Skate everything.
All right, Fetty, let's take it for a spin. What? Don't use the remote control, use the steering wheel. You're slowing him down. Whoa.
That's a trick, right?
Uh-oh. Oh!
Hyper speed.
Yes, Jenny, yes.
I fit perfectly.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, the radio turned on. I love this thing. I want one.
Hey, the stereo went on.
What are you trying to do?
First joint! Alright, Doug. You got to ollie on flat over it.
Over the hood.
Over the hood?
Yeah.
You go over the whole thing. Doug, you hit my car! Okay. You can definitely clear the entire thing. Dude, quit being Jeep. Just land it. Did no one hear that? Oh! That was good. I like that.
Stole my trick.
You should do it with him.
Should I do it with him?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go the other way.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh, I threw the at your feet.
Absolutely. Oh! There goes Vinny. Yeah. Yeah. Where's Vinny? Oh, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
I tried.
It's okay, it's okay.
You guys called me out, so I was like, dang it.
Man,
I tried.
You hit Fetty's Jeep.
I'm sorry.
Wow. Wow, Doug.
That was like really easy.
Legs aren't doing it
That is
today.
that is a large kickflip. Well done, Doug. Get by your ankles. Man, you see the way Doug skates? He's really on autopilot.
Ha!
Oh!
How you doing, bud?
Don't get rear-ended.
This Jeep is nicer than my actual car.
Just like this high.
Literally. Oh, Doug! Woo! What are we doing?
Oh!
Did! Can somebody please sketch it down the 5, please?
I'm gonna drive it now. Take the controller away. I don't trust him.
There you go, Doug. Put him up. Whoa!
That drifted, what's up?
Take him down the 3.
Down 3. This is gonna suck.
First try, Doug! are not right.
How did it just all of a sudden go in reverse?
Betty, you broke it!
Of course that had to happen. Oh, you're controlling it?
At the end of the video, we gotta drive it off the Braille drop, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Should I nose bonk it?
Took you down the 5, Doug. You did down the 3, no problem.
That was gnarly though.
Was it? Oh!
I did it!
You missed the bonk aspect, Doug. There you go, Doug.
Crook bonk.
Okay. You think a crook bonk is gonna work on this?
Of course.
You think so?
Yeah, Doug can crooked grind anything.
Wow.
Don't scratch the paint.
The back post. Oh, you can do it like that.
Can we use the kicker?
He partially went over it, but I think he went kind of to the side a little bit.
Can you do it without hitting my face? Yeah, no problem. First try. I wasn't scared. I'm not scared. Coming around for round 2. First try. Easy, easy.
I think you should take Doug down to 5.
All right, Doug, let's go. You totally got that, Doug. He said, "Where's Carlos?"
Doug. Come on. If Doug's not gonna do it, I will.
No, you won't.
Let's do it.
No, you won't.
Let's go.
Got the set.
Doug, take the camera from me.
You're not gonna do that. No, I'm not taking the remote. It's out of my hands now.
This is the scariest thing I've ever done in my life.
Lean back. Oh, you're going down the ramp? Oh, yeah! Oh my God! Now let's get back up there. All right.
Oh my shit! Oh my God! I just got the worst shinner of my life, dude. Double shinner. Thank you, Aaron.
Full speed, 5 stair, first try.
Gotta close the door. Yes! Taking that back. Dude, that literally gave me like the worst shinners ever. Every step was another shinner. Really? Just went shinner, 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 shinner. Dude, it sucked. That was definitely the best trick I've ever done down the 5.
You're driving off the Braille drop? You guys might want to move. Betty's such a party pooper. Wow. Just to be up here is terrifying. Good thing no one was in that. Can you imagine? Round 2.
Pass it to us.
Up this?
Yeah.
Oh man, this is scary. Whoa. Whoa. It broke. Completely broke.
That was the worst thing that could have happened.
Literally. You're gonna go down there? Go.
Hopefully I don't get hit in the head. All right, Ron, let's get it back up there.
I don't know if this is the best idea.
What are we gonna try and do?
I'm down to do gnarly things in this.
Like what?
I don't know, you tell me.
But I'm backwards in third.
So I've been hyped for this for the past like 24 hours. I want to ride this thing.
Well, we already took it down the 5.
Mini ramp?
Yes, the mini
Yeah?
ramp.
Take me to the mini ramp, chauffeur. That doesn't sound good.
Oh my.
Kids these days, I don't know what these guys are doing.
What's the best way to go about this?
You're definitely gonna nail this.
Yeah!
That was anticlimactic.
4-foot slide will be better.
Oh, right, that exists.
So that wasn't scary. That wasn't the scariest thing you've ever done in your entire life.
No.
Really?
That's fine.
Nothing. No fear. The two people that are the most afraid on a skateboard just rolled this thing like it was nothing. Gabe down the 5, and then you just dropped in like that.
There you go. Help him out, Doug.
Did you sign a waiver, Doug? Oh, Lord.
I got you. I got you.
I don't think you got me.
I thought I had him.
I figured out.
I'm still here.
All right, Doug, you got him.
I'm trusting you.
All right, you ready?
I think you're good. Clear the area.
This is not gonna go well.
What are you guys doing?
That did not work as well as I had hoped.
Are you okay?
He's gonna try it again?
I know what'll work better.
I know what will work better. That's all he has to say.
Oh, swole. Oh my God.
All right. Told you that'd work.
Did you see his chest pop out?
Dude, you killed it. You nailed it. Wow. Rock fakie? No. Yeah. I tried it. It just tips back. Or sure, yeah, you go ahead.
Well, maybe on this side.
Yeah, that side will be totally legit. The slightest bank makes it completely flip over.
You needed 2 swole men to push him.
Killed it?
Are you okay?
Maybe you were right, Aaron.
You guys enjoyed watching this video. We're gonna end this here before anybody gets seriously injured. Thank you, Rowan. You're a champion and a gentleman. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.